In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Spotify Premium for free in 2025 on your Android device. Now, before we get into this video, I want to make a very quick disclaimer. We are not going to be doing anything weird or anything shady. Everything in this video complies with both the YouTube Terms of Service and the Spotify Terms of Service. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. So what you want to do is you want to go to any web browser and look up Microsoft Rewards just like so. And Microsoft Rewards is a platform created by Microsoft themselves where you're able to complete tasks in exchange for points, and then you can exchange those points for rewards, including Spotify Premium. So you just want to go ahead and press on it just like so, and you will need to go ahead and log in using a Microsoft account. But do not worry, guys, creating a Microsoft account is incredibly easy, and you can actually use a pre-existing Gmail account and basically use that as your Microsoft account. So it is relatively easy. So all you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on this like profile picture icon. So I'll be right back once I went ahead and signed in. So if you never created an account, there's actually an option that says create one. So that is something that you could do as well. All right, guys, once you went ahead and signed in using a Microsoft account, please go ahead and select on the option that says start earning. Afterwards, it is going to take you to a platform that looks like this. So if you scroll down, you will notice that we will have a bunch of different tasks that we can go ahead and do in exchange for points. Now, some of these tasks are relatively easy. For example, this daily poll will instantly give you 10 points over here, which is obviously, not too difficult to do, but there are some other tasks that you can do for more points over here. For example, we can get 500 points with this task over here. But the point is, once you went ahead and did enough of those tasks, then you want to go ahead and select on the redeem section just like so. Then from here, you can go ahead and scroll down. You guys can get like gift cards if you want. And obviously, you can go ahead and get Spotify. And you could basically use funds that you earn over on Microsoft Rewards. And then you could use it over to get Spotify Premium. And it really is that simple. And if you ever end up changing your mind, there's so many other things that you guys can get as well. This is the only safe and a viable option to actually get Spotify Premium for free. Please don't go to any other weird websites or anything like that. Only use trusted sources, guys. But anyways, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.